Trying to get that extra performance out of your GPU, but don't really know how to do it? Hello everyone, Gabriel here with Aerocool, and today I'll show you the magic of case fans to keep your GPU cooler and running better in two different ways using our cases. Before buying your Aerocool case, check to make sure it has options for GPU cooling. You can scan the features or the infographics on the top of the product page or the full spec list below. These cases here have fan placement holes on the metal partition plate. You can add up to 220mm fans. You'll need to place the fan upside down so they can pull cooler air towards the top of the case and flow right over your GPU. To install the fans, you use the same screws you would use for fans on a liquid cooler radiator. If you already own a case without fan placement like this, you can use something like our Aster 24 dual fan bracket. It comes with a PCIe bracket, so you can slot it in right under the GPU without no problem. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope these tips help you improve the performance of your GPU. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this. This is Gabriel. See you next time.